India stands as one of the world's largest producers of sugarcane, driven by a perfect blend of geographical advantages and economic factors. This vital crop doesn't just support the agricultural sector, it also plays a crucial role in boosting the economy. Let's explore the factors that make India a powerhouse in sugarcane production and the regions that lead the charge. Sugarcane thrives in specific conditions, both geographical and economic. Let's break them down. First up, the climate. Sugarcane grows best in tropical and subtropical climates. It needs warm temperatures, ideally between 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, and substantial rainfall, about 1,000 to 1,500 millimeters annually. Next is the soil. Well-drained, fertile soils, like alluvial, loamy, and black soils, are ideal for sugarcane. These soils help retain moisture and provide the nutrients needed for healthy growth. Another crucial factor is the length of the growing season. Sugarcane needs 10 to 18 months of uninterrupted growth, with no frost to disrupt its development. Lastly, water availability is key. Sugarcane relies heavily on irrigation, especially in regions that face dry spells. Proximity to rivers, canals, and underground water sources makes a huge difference. Now, let's look at the economic factors that further strengthen India's sugarcane industry. Market accessibility is vital. Regions close to sugar mills and market hubs have a competitive advantage. Good transport infrastructure makes trade easier and more cost-effective, directly influencing the profitability of sugarcane farming. Then, there's the need for labor. Sugarcane farming is highly labor-intensive, so regions with abundant labor are more likely to succeed in sugarcane cultivation. Government policies also play a significant role. Subsidies, support schemes, and favorable policies help farmers grow sugarcane more profitably, boosting both yield and revenue. Lastly, the profitability of sugarcane compared to other crops affects its cultivation. Economic viability depends on how sugarcane fares against competing crops in each region. India is home to several major sugarcane-producing states. Let's take a look at the key players. Uttar Pradesh is by far the largest producer, contributing to about 40% of the country's total sugarcane production. Major districts like Meerut, Bijnor, and Modinagar are well known for their vast sugarcane fields. Next, Maharashtra is another significant contributor, with regions like Pune, Ahmednagar, and Kolhapur driving the state's sugarcane industry. Favorable climatic conditions and a strong presence of sugar factories make it a major player. Karnataka, with its fertile soil and effective irrigation systems, is also a key region. Areas like Mandya, Mysore, and Bellary are famous for their sugarcane crops. In Tamil Nadu, districts like Tiruchirappalli, Madurai, and Coimbatore stand out for their sugarcane production, backed by supportive government policies. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are emerging as important contributors, with regions like Krishna, Guntur, and Warangal rapidly increasing their sugarcane output. Lastly, Bihar is also gaining importance, with districts like Saran and Gopalganj expanding their focus on sugarcane cultivation. All these factors combine to make India one of the largest producers of sugarcane globally. From favorable geography to supportive economic conditions, the country's sugarcane industry plays a crucial role in both agriculture and the economy. As the demand for sugar continues to grow, India's sugarcane industry remains a vital component of the nation's agricultural landscape. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on agriculture and the economy. See you in the next video.